Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make your own vegetable stock at home from just vegetable scraps. I like to collect whatever scraps from vegetables I can get in a Tupperware that I keep in the freezer, and at the end of the month or when it is full, that is when I make my stock. You can collect onion peels and the tops and bottoms of vegetables that you would usually throw away, like coriander roots, celery leaves, potato skins, carrot tops, garlic peels, broccoli and cauliflower stems, and almost anything left over that you don't usually use from the vegetables, because those still have a lot of flavor in them. You can also freeze any vegetables that are about to go bad and use them for stock as well. This way, nothing goes to waste and you made the most out of all your vegetables. I've started by putting in a bit of olive oil at the bottom of my pot, and I just threw all the frozen scraps in there, giving them a quick toss every now and then to make sure everything defrosts and cooks down to make a bit of space in the pot. Quick tip, if you have the time and patience, you can throw all your scraps in a pan and roast them in the oven first before putting them in the pot. That will intensify the flavors of the vegetables more, giving you a stock that has even more depth and is richer in flavor. Next, I'm adding in salt, and that is optional and completely up to you. I'll let it all cook down more, and this is your opportunity to toss in any extra vegetables you have lying around that are about to go bad, or that you know you won't be able to use anytime soon, or if you just want to make space for fresher vegetables in the pantry or the fridge. I've added in some dehydrated oyster mushrooms that I grew myself from a home growing kit, just because I know that dehydrated mushrooms add a lot of umami and flavor. And then I'm adding in some garlic that has already started sprouting and was a bit old. Now, if you want your stock to be rich in flavor, you will need the help of some seasonings. I'm adding in dried dill, and that's optional, black pepper or black peppercorn seeds, 2 small chips of nutmeg, a couple of bay leaves and cinnamon sticks. You can also add some ginger powder or ginger paste, onion powder, garlic paste, or powder if you want, but I would advise to leave that for the end after a taste test. I'll give them a good mix before adding in hot water until all the vegetables are covered, and then I'll cover the pot and let it simmer. I'm going to let it simmer on medium-low heat for 1 to 3 hours, but I will give it a mix every 20 to 30 minutes just to make sure I'm immersing all the vegetables back into the water again. Give it a taste to see if you want to add any more seasonings, and you are done. Using a heat-proof colander, sift out all the solid bits, and we personally don't throw those away. Instead, we feed them to our chickens, and if you have chickens, goats, or cows, these would make great feed for them. Put your liquid stock into ice cube trays, but wait for the stock to completely cool down before putting them in the freezer. Putting hot liquid into your freezer will create water condensation, which will freeze, and it will also raise the temperature of your whole freezer and may cause damage in there. I also do keep a cup or 2 cups of the liquid stock in the fridge as well, but only if I know I will be using it within 3 to 5 days. You can use stocks in soups, in curries, for cooking pastas, grains, and rice, and basically to enhance the flavor of anything you're cooking. And this way is much healthier than using the Maggi or other store-bought cubes, as those do tend to have a lot of preservatives and are high in sodium. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful to you, and as usual, have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!